What if I told you there's a way to grow your own fresh, organic food right inside your home, all year round, with almost zero effort? And what if this system not only grows your vegetables, but also houses beautiful pet fish, creating a stunning, living ecosystem in your living room? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's real, and it's called Imagine never having to run to the store for lettuce, herbs, or even tomatoes again. You just walk over to your indoor garden and harvest what you need, fresh and full of nutrients. Aquaponics makes this possible by combining aquaculture, which is raising fish, with hydroponics, growing plants in water. It's a revolutionary, self-sustaining cycle created by nature itself. So, how does this magical system work? It's actually brilliantly simple. It all starts with the fish. You feed your fish, and they do what all living creatures do. They produce waste. In a normal fish tank, this waste, primarily ammonia, becomes toxic, and you have to do frequent water changes. But in an aquaponics system, that fish waste is liquid gold. This nutrient-rich water is pumped from the fish tank up to a grow bed where your plants are. Now, here's where the magic really happens. Beneficial bacteria, which naturally live on the surfaces in your grow bed, get to work. They convert the toxic ammonia from the fish waste first into nitrites, and then into nitrates. And guess what? Nitrates are the perfect superfood for plants. The plant's roots absorb these nitrates, along with all the other wonderful micronutrients from the fish waste. As they soak up these nutrients, they are essentially cleaning and filtering the water. This fresh, clean, oxygenated water then flows back down into the fish tank, creating a perfect, healthy environment for your fish. It's a closed-loop system, a complete win-win. The fish feed the plants, and the plants clean the water for the fish. The benefits are absolutely incredible. First, aquaponics uses up to 90% less water than traditional soil gardening because the water is constantly being recycled. There's no water wasted through runoff or evaporation. Second, it's completely organic. You can't use any pesticides or herbicides because they would harm your fish. This means you get the purest, healthiest produce you can imagine. Plus, your plants grow faster because they have direct access to a constant supply of rich nutrients. They can focus all their energy on growing big and strong, often twice as fast as in soil. And the best part, there's no weeding. Ever say goodbye to back-breaking work in the garden? You just plant, feed your fish, and harvest. You can grow almost anything. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale thrive. Herbs like basil, mint, and parsley go wild. You can even grow fruiting plants like tomatoes, peppers, and strawberries, all inside your home, no matter the season outside. Imagine picking fresh strawberries in the middle of winter. Setting up a system can be as simple or as complex as you want. You can start small with a desktop kit that's perfect for a few herbs, or you can go big with a system that feeds your entire family. Many people even build their own DIY systems using simple, affordable materials. It's a fantastic project for kids and adults alike, teaching us about biology, chemistry, and where our food comes from. This isn't just about gardening. It's about reconnecting with our food and with nature. It's about building a more sustainable future, one household at a time. It's a living, breathing piece of art that feeds you. This isn't the future of farming. It's the now. Are you ready to start your own food revolution? Let me know in the comments what you would grow first in your aquaponics system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing ways to live a greener life. See you next time.